Do you wish you could remove your background and replace it with something else? Descript makes it easy. Let me show you how it works. In your Descript project, the first thing we have to do is remove our background. To do that, click on your video, then come over to this button on the right side that says Properties. Click on that. And at the bottom, you're going to find a section called Visual Effects. Click on the little plus button and click on Green Screen. And now my background is removed. It might have been kind of hard to see because I already have a black background, and it turns the background flat black. Now, if you ever want to turn off green screen, you find this green screen line right here and hit this little toggle, and now it's off. And then you can put it back on by toggling it on. If you click into the white space around your video, you can click on this little background button and change the color of your background. So now I have a white background, red, green, and anything you want. But to actually put in an image or a video, like I showed you at the beginning of this, we have to add our media. So I'm going to show you this by using Descript stock media. So I'm going to come over to this button that says stock, click on that, and I'll just use one of these waterfall images. So I'm going to click on this waterfall right here and give it a moment to add, and there we go. But we have a problem. I'm covered up. So what do? Click on the Properties button, and then click on this little back arrow right here, and then come down to where it says Layers, and you'll see there's 2 layers. This is an important concept in video editing. Every single object that you add becomes a layer in your timeline. And so now we have 2 layers. There's the waterfall, and then right below it is the script layer, my speaking layer. So the problem is I'm being covered up by the waterfall. To fix this, we need to reverse these. So I'm going to click on the script layer, and I'm going to drag it up so it's on top, and now everything looks how it's supposed to. And then from here, you can edit this video just like anything else you've ever done in Descript. You can drag yourself around, you can make yourself smaller like that, and it's just a normal Descript video from here. Let me know in the comments, how do you plan to use this? What are you going to do with your background?